Hey amigos, welcome back to my channel. And as I promised, I'll show you a tutorial of this Lego snow plowing truck. And here it is. Hope you like it. I'm gonna do the part where the motor is. So this is where the wheels and the main part spin. So do like this, so it should face the sides. Get the motor, attach it here. This is a M motor, so it's a normal one. So get a 1x4 axle, attach it in the motor. And for this gear, it's not a normal gear. It's a little smaller than a normal 3x3 gear. So it's one of the gears where it's used to change which side it's spinning. Get these, attach it here like this to that motor. You have to get these pinholes and pins. Make sure you don't attach it fully in. Now I also did it this side, so just put it aside. Make sure you have a hole here, not a normal 1x2 brick. And this is important. This is a 1x8 axle, 1x9 axle. This gear again is not a normal gear. It's a half gear where you can change which side it's the gear is spinning. Make sure there's the same amount of axle space on both sides. And also don't attach this so tight so it won't spin freely. Attach it a little loose. So take this and attach it like this with the gear touching this gear attached to the motor. Take this. A 1x5 Technic piece. Attach it like that into these jumpers. And for the front wheels, this is a 1x3 axle, not a 1x4 axle. And also there's a blocker here so it won't just fall off. I did that for both sides. now get these big wheels. You can use any size wheels, but I prefer big because, well, if the wheels are small, the plower will start scraping the ground, and that won't be good. So attach these like this. And also remember that this side is different. Now the part which covers the motor here. Put this aside. Take it and attach it here. Take and attach this here, and then take this and put the wire through like this. Take this. And put these out here on the edge. So then you have to take it, take the wire out like that, and attach it in. Now, time for the part where we place the battery. attach it like this. So you have to have 3 gap here with these 1x4s. Now you need a battery box. I already included the 6 AA batteries. Now get these pins with 1 stud. You should attach it to these 2 pinholes with these 2 pins. So, like this. And then you take this, you attach it like this. Now I'm going to show you the part where the person sits. Attach this here. Put this part aside. You should have this. And then take this part you put aside and attach it here like this. So this part we made should go here. Like this. Now coming to the part which blows. You should have this. like this. And then get these. It should be a T-slope. Now time to attach it to the truck. The side with the chair should be on the top, and the side with these slopes should be on the bottom. And then you're done. This is how it should look like. This is meant for plowing snow, but there's no snow here. So that's why I'm not showing it in snow. Thank you for watching. That is how I made the Lego snow plowing truck. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and to be notified, click the bell icon button. And if you want any more Lego things, ask in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Bye.